Hey, what's up and welcome back to another episode of Something Fishy. Today we're just gonna hit the local pond, try to throw some flies around and see what we can come up with. Pardon my voice, I lost it watching UFC and doing a battle bot tournament, so that's the way it goes. All right, let's try to catch some fish. Let's do it. If you haven't already, please subscribe. All right, so we're gonna throw a chronomid, I don't think I'm saying that right, and my monstrosity on a strike indicator float. It's been quite warm these last few days. We'll see if it has any improvements in the bite. See if we can get some action. A buddy of mine here was saying the water was up to 72 degrees, which is quite warm out of nowhere, so hopefully the fish are going to be quite active. I think we are too deep. We're going to shorten our distance of our strike indicator float. This is one of those airlocks. You just kind of loosen it a bit, retighten it, puts no kinks in the line. It's great. There we go. Getting bites. Got him. There we go. I think it's a nice sized crappie. Oh, it's a nice crappie. Might be the same damn one. All right, come here, big buddy. Oh, he's a big one. Oh, look at that big one.
That's a hell of a fish.
This might be that same big one I caught a little bit back.
Wow, that is a hell of a fish. What a picture.
Look at that beauty. Yeah, I was gonna grab one. All right, let's let this little beauty go.
Wow, that's a hell of a fish.
Thank you, my friend. We'll catch you again.
Thing?
Yep. There you go. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I think we're gonna walk around and try to find the carp. I'd like a big fish to put me on the reel. Haven't done that in a little bit here. Let's find one. We got a little turtle party up here. Turtle, turtle. One looks like a red ear slider. The other three, I'm not sure. Like another one's coming in the dock. All right, so I ran home real quick and had some lunch, and now we're back. But this time I brought the ultralight rod. We'll do that. Seeing we're doing pretty good with the fly rod, let's switch it up and do some ultralight. Oh, that was barely even hooked. That's the smallest crappie I ever caught out of here. What's up, little buddy? Little guy? Wow, that worm hit quick. All right, bud. Later. Oh, I even let you go. You're still splashing me. Oh, first bluegill of the year. What's up, little bluegill? I'm cheating though. I'm using worms right now. Cool. First little bluegill. I've never bait fished in fresh water before. No. So it's like, no, they're not biting on anything. So, well, I got a nice like 13-inch crappie earlier.
Yeah.
On my fly rod. All right, I went around and found some more little worms in the gopher piles, which is a pretty effective place to find worms. Now I'd really like to find these carp and get them on a worm. That'd be fun. Ugh, terrible cast, but we'll let it go. Yep, boom, got him. Oh, that's a tiny little cropster. lot of planes today. It is a nice day, apparently. Oh, there we go. Oh, I didn't mean to launch that guy. Another little crappie. He's gonna let me keep my worm this time. What's up, little buddy? That is a pretty little black crappie though, right? Pretty little fish. There we go, another little guy. Alright, that's enough with the worm fishing for these guys. I feel like it's cheating. Another little black crappie. Little beauty. Oh shit, fill in. Foot down. Well, sometimes you fall in, you know? That's funny. This is the first time I ever fell in this pond. And it's got a steep angle and you could easily fall in. Alright, so it was starting to get cold and windy, so I went home real quick and grabbed my sweater and put my pants back on. And I got the fly rod back because, I don't know, it's more enjoyable fly fishing. And I got a bunch of bass flies. Maybe we'll stay a little bit later and try to hook up on some bass. Alright. Alright, I see a few carp, so we're gonna try to go for them. Alright, we're gonna try this carp fly. See if we can get one on it. Kind of mimics a crawdad looking deal. Real buggy. Sits hook up. There we go. There we go. There's a little carp. I don't know how big. Oh, oh. There we go. We have 12-pound test as my leader. Didn't take long. What's up, little buddy? Oh yeah. Oh, it's a little guy. It's a little guy. Okay, let's get him away from these other carp here. We don't want to mess them all up. I don't think I've ever caught a carp this small before. Hi. A little guy. This little guy. Come on, little buddy. That's a little carp. Look at that little guy. What's up, little dude? Beautiful. Look at that red. All right, let's get him. Let's get my hand on Slimy. Oh, there he goes. Oh, no way. No way. Get him over. Yeah. It helps for the sliminess on your fingers. Oh, this one's got a little more of a fight to him. This one's got a little bit more of a fight to him. All right, buddy? Another little guy? Let's get him in. Let's go quick with them. I feel carpet sensitive. Alright, buddy. Alright. It's that cookie cutter size. Oh, this one's gnarly looking. This one is, what's up, buddy? He's got a messed up top fin there. Thanks again for joining me on this episode of Something Fishy. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.